Locally now, and a war of words has erupted between a federal MP and the Tasmanian Government over hospital funding. The government's been accused of putting funding for the Royal Hobart Hospital at risk, but it claims it's done nothing wrong.
The redevelopment of the Royal Hobart Hospital appears to have hit another snag. The independent member for Denison says the federal government is expecting a progress report on the $565 million project tomorrow. But he says the state government is unlikely to meet the deadline.
I am seeing evidence of incompetence, and I'm seeing evidence of a state government that is not taking this project seriously.
The report is needed to trigger the release of more federal funding for the redevelopment.
I've got the Federal Health Minister almost holding out a cheque for $50 million with another cheque for $240 million in her back pocket, but she's having trouble getting the Tasmanian Government to take it.
Look, this has been a fiasco from woe to go.
But the Health Minister says the progress report isn't due for another fortnight, and she's produced documentation to prove it.
We're not aware of there being any date of the 18th of March as a crucial date.
The government plans to submit the relevant paperwork to the Commonwealth next week. The Federal Health Minister's office says the documents are needed within days so they can be assessed. In another money saver, the state has confirmed the latest intake of police cadets has been postponed indefinitely.
And Premier, what do you say to the people who've contacted my office recently whose lives have been thrown into turmoil as a result?
Lara Giddings blamed budget cuts for the move.
If we don't take decisions now, Mr Speaker, in 18 months' time we will be in a situation of net debt.
We already know that numbers that promised for Glenorchy and Bridgewater will be cut as a result of no new recruit courses. This will impact on crime rates.
One Greens MP claims to know where there's a bucket of money. Kim Booth alleges Forestry Tasmania is owed millions by timber giant Guns.
Can you confirm that the level of debt is in the order of $10 million?
I'm not in a position to talk about the financial transactions between Forestry Tasmania and its business customers, Mr Speaker.
Gunn says any financial obligations it had with Forestry Tasmania have been met. Brad Markham, ABC News.